Hey everyone, today we're talking about the LG 65TR3BQ-B CreateBoard. If you're looking for a big, interactive display that can handle everything from presentations to creative work, is this the right screen for you? Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. So, what exactly is this thing? It's a 65-inch 4K multi-touch monitor designed for collaboration, teaching, or creative projects. The screen runs at 3840 by 2160 resolution, which means everything looks sharp and detailed, perfect for reading text, viewing images, or editing video. The brightness is rated at 350 nits, which isn't the brightest out there, but it's bright enough for most indoor settings. If you're using it in a well-lit classroom or office, you won't struggle to see the content. One of the standout features is the 20-point multi-touch capability. That means up to 20 people can interact with the screen at once. Whether you're brainstorming with a team, playing a multiplayer game, or using it for group training, the responsiveness is smooth and accurate. I've used similar boards before, and the difference here is that it actually keeps up with fast gestures and multiple inputs without lagging. That's a big deal if you're trying to keep a meeting or class moving. On the input side, it has HDMI 2.0, USB-C, and DisplayPort, so you can connect almost anything, laptops, cameras, even gaming consoles. There's also a built-in Android system, which is a nice bonus. You can run apps directly on the screen without needing a separate computer. That's handy if you want to show a slideshow, play a video, or even browse the web during a presentation. I found the built-in Android to be responsive, though not as fast as a dedicated PC, but it's more than enough for quick tasks. For output, there's HDMI out, which lets you mirror or extend your display to another screen. That's useful if you want to send the same content to a projector or another monitor. The build quality feels solid, LG's usual high standard with a slim bezel and sturdy stand. It's not something you'll be moving around often, but it's reassuring to know it's built to last. Now, who's this actually good for? If you're a teacher, trainer, or someone who regularly leads group sessions, this board can make a huge difference. Instead of standing at a whiteboard with markers, you can write, draw, and annotate directly on the screen. It's way more engaging for students or participants. I've seen classrooms where this kind of tech really transforms the learning experience. For creative professionals, the multi-touch and 4K resolution make it great for digital art or design work. You can use it with a stylus or even your fingers, and the accuracy is impressive. It's not a full-fledged drawing tablet like a Wacom, but if you need a large, interactive surface for client presentations or collaborative sketching, it's a solid choice. Gamers might also find it fun for local multiplayer games that support touch controls. Imagine playing a racing game where each player steers with their fingers on the screen. It's not a replacement for a high-end gaming monitor, but it's a fun novelty for parties or casual gaming. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the 20-point touch is reliable and responsive, the 4K resolution looks great, and the built-in Android system adds flexibility. The build quality is top-notch, too. On the downside, the brightness might be a bit low if you're in a very bright room, and the built-in Android isn't as powerful as a dedicated PC. Also, it's pretty heavy, so you won't be moving it around often. If you're still on the fence, consider what you'll use it for most. If you need a large, interactive display for collaboration or teaching, this is a great option. If you're looking for a primary monitor for graphic design or gaming, you might want to pair it with a dedicated computer. So, if you think the LG 65TR3BQ-B CreateBoard fits your needs, check out the link below. It's a solid investment for anyone who wants to make their presentations or group work more dynamic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.